Welcome to CrossPLANE Nation. I'm going to install these LED blinker strips here on this 2018 GSX250R. We're going to mount these guys on the top part of the tail here, and then we'll just repeat this on the other side. This is the blinker wire here that came from the stock fender assembly. Your black and white stripe is going to be the ground. Solid color is going to be the hot. We're just going to take these wires, solder them to the LED strips. Black is ground, red is hot. All right, we're going to double check, make sure everything works. Now that we have the lights installed, we're going to go ahead and pull all these wires up into the tail, zip tie everything down, give it a final test. Okay, so I have the wire nice and tight up against the tail here. In order to keep it that way, I did a zip tie around the wire, and then from that zip tie I anchored it down to a place that I had here in the tail.